This is the Avansa BulkCoin scale 4650. This is meant for counting sorted coin. So before I start counting on my scale, I always need to tear my container that I'm going to be counting in so that it minuses the weight of this container. Now I continuously use this container. The first method is our normal counting method where I add my coins. So I select 10 cent, I add my coins, and I add it to my memory. My next coin is my 20 old, pop my coins on, add to my memory. I then toggle through all of my coins until I'm done counting. Always remember that with this mode, I need to add it before I remove it. I select which coin I'm counting. So if I don't have that one and I only have new, I add it to my scale and I press add. You'll also see that when you press your old and new, it toggles between old and new at the bottom. So I can then weigh any coin and always remember to add to my scale. Now I'm done counting, I can press my total button, and my total in this count is 62 coins, and I've got 119 Rand and 60 cents. The great feature of this machine is that I also have an auto mode. So I'm just going to clear my total. Now I'm ready for my next count. So on auto add, it will always start with your smallest coin, which is my 10 cents. I add it onto the machine. As soon as I remove it, it will automatically jump into my next denomination. I add it onto my scale, and it will just automatically add this for me and keep on toggling between old and new, old and new. If I don't have that specific coin, so if it toggles to old and I don't have it, I just press onto my new button. The great thing about this machine is because it has no moving parts, it's little to no routine maintenance. And as I select my denominations and I add my coins onto my scale, it just keeps on adding to my total. You can also go back into a coin. So my last coin I'm going to be counting is my new 5 rands. It's added to my total. Now when I'm done counting, I press my total, it reflects. I've also got my printer attached, so now I can print out a complete audit trail of my count. And that is the wonderful 4650.